Forget everything you know about outdoor kitchens. NatureKast is bringing luxury, style, and precision to the patio at KBIS 2026. NatureKast combines premium materials with innovative resin molding techniques to replicate the warmth and detail of real wood without the maintenance concerns. Every door you see starts as a real wood sample, meticulously molded in resin to capture its texture, grain, and character. The result? Outdoor cabinetry that looks as rich and refined as anything inside your home.
First process is taking out the soft grain to actually get the texture, because just taking a wood door and molding that would be a smooth surface, so our finishes wouldn't hang up properly. So it is quite a process for each door, and each one you see, every different size, has an actual master and a mold that goes along with that piece. So every time we want a new door, there is another door that has to be poured and it's molded in polyurethane resin. And then we finish that to look like a real wood door.
NatureKast offers fully customizable cabinetry. Think cooler drawers, soft close interiors, and even integrated appliance panels, all built to withstand the elements.
Here we are in the more contemporary look, and some of the features that we've added this year on this cabinetry is the lighting.
Oh, wow!
So lighting is going to be a standard across our line over the next few years. You'll see that on the toe kicks to light up outdoors. Also, when you get into the evening time, right, how often you're going out to that barbecue area and the lighting is just not there. You open the drawers and you're fumbling
You're looking around for a fork.
Here it is, all lit up. Fully waterproof, weather-resistant lighting.
Well, and what's really special about this, we live in New York City, and we have an outdoor space that could fit something this size. So you don't have to have a huge house to be able to have beautiful cabinetry and a nice setup for an outdoor eating area.
Again, you know, with the creativity, with the custom nature of our cabinetry, nature, pun intended, you can design pretty much whatever you dream up. You can see how, we turn this into like a furniture piece outdoors.
Right.
We've really brought that design aspect to the outdoors, where it used to be all about, okay, the function, can we just have a surface to work on, a couple of doors with a cavity behind, we can store some stuff and hide it. We've changed that completely.
It used to be an afterthought, and now it's really center stage.
And design is first now. It's leading the trend, right? That's where we excel.
This year, they're introducing bold new designs like furniture-style pieces for outdoor living and clever storage solutions, like a golf cabinet that keeps your gear protected, yet stylishly on display.
This is cool.
Yes. Brand new this year. Just again, showing off the flexibility of our line and our product and what you can do with it. Here's something, getting creative and creating a golf storage cabinet. Again, this could be a SKU that we offer, or also our designers have the flexibility to make this any size they wish.
Sure.
If you want 2 golf bags in there, his and hers, you have the option to do that. But yeah, just showing a neat way to display everything. And like you said, you don't have to bring it to the indoors. This could be in the garage setting or in a 3-season room setting, right? It's totally able to handle all the elements.
But again, it just feels like it belongs inside because it's so beautifully crafted.
Yeah,
and then it saves space for other things
exactly.
Indoors.
Yep.
And this is a very cool finish.
Yeah, again, that high pressure laminate phenolic resin that we have, and it's just a different offering. We're just trying to show the flexibility of what you can do with our product. It is full custom, so there's no limitations on whatever you can dream up or think of. We're willing to take a look at it and see what we can do to work with you on that. So it's a very flexible line.
Whether you want a sleek modern look for a timeless traditional style, every NatureKast installation is designed with flexibility and longevity in mind, ensuring your outdoor space feels just as polished as the rooms inside your home.
Another thing we do is we actually blend in appliances very well with our products. Here you can see we've done a fridge door.
Oh my gosh.
And we incorporate it right into the look of the cabinetry. So you've got a fridge panel that's the same matching product that we have, phenolic product. And even more impressive here, first time for us this year, this is called a fern spin. So,
whoa!
Yeah, check that out. So a hidden open shelf unit.
That is cool.
Great traditionally it was used for indoor, now they're bringing it to the outdoor. An awesome option as you can flip your exposed products out of the elements.
And this is just very sleek and modern. It's sort of something for everybody. If you want modern, you have it. If you want more traditional, you have more traditional.
Even inside the convention center, their displays make it easy to imagine enjoying these kitchens in the open air. Beautiful, durable, and entirely yours. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to homeworthy.com for exclusive content, shopping guides, and so much more.